thermal. Okay, so only thermal, one dimensions, 100% conversions, they want confirm. Okay, so see that constant area because they give only one surface area. Okay, so M constant, I think yes, because under static conditions, so we need to have time. Okay, so closed system, so this one you can just temporarily ignore. Okay, so they give you the x value, right? So initials, instant, so this is 0. They give you this is L, so meaning that here this position is 0.2. Okay, so they give you only 1K. They give you only 1K. Okay, so they give you only 1K, so another assumption, so this is a constant state. Now first thing first, you need to give us general equations. So here you need to find your equations. So this is thin wall. Okay. So here they give you your equation should be referring. So because constant K value, because they give us only 1K. Okay, so your equation you need to start from. Okay, so d square t. Okay, so dx squared, dgen, k. Okay, so 1 over alpha. So dt dx, dt dt. Okay, so these questions I think they are very good. Okay, so the questions also mentions there is no egen. Okay, so here another assumption. You add in no egen, no heat generation. Okay, so this one equals to 0. Okay, they say this is the steady state. Okay, so this is the steady state. Okay, so steady state, so dt over dt equals to 0. So so simple. Then do the integration. Do the integrations. Okay, because the question asks you to find the variations, so you get the general equations already. Okay, so you get the general equations already to something. So at any point within this 0.2 meter, so you can apply this formula. So that's why you need to find back the general equations. Okay, so now they already give you the changes one already. Okay, so you do the integrations. Okay, so you get the general equations. Okay, so find general equations. General equation is without all the differentiations, all the integrations. Okay, so you do the integration. So this one is a two integrations. Okay, so I want to cancel the differentiation. So now I do the integrations. So dt dx squared. Okay, apply integration for both sides. Okay, so first time integrate, I remove one differentiate. So dt dx equals to, so integrations 0 here, supposedly you need to have 1c1. Okay, so you get the integration, second time integrations. Okay, so differentiate already removed. So this is dx. Okay, so dx equals to c1x c2. So now you need to find your c1, c2. Okay, so you need to find c1, c2 based on the conditions. Okay, so here, okay, the questions already very good. They give you already. Okay, so they give you, okay, so T1 at T1. Okay, so T1 is 120 degrees Celsius. So they show you already T1 at, okay, so T1 when x equals to 0. Okay, but x equals to 0, then you substitute. Okay, so x equals to 0. So this one temperature is 120. C1 0, C2. Okay, so then they give you, okay, so x equals to L. Okay, so x equals to L or equals to 0.2 meter T2 equals to 50. And then you substitute inside the equations. Okay, so Tx 50, C1 unknown, x is 0.2 plus C2 is 120. So you get your C1. Okay, so your general equations now Tx equals to, so C1 is substitute C1, x plus C2. C2 120. C1, what you get at? So, how many x? Okay, also this one that my mistake. This one my mistake. This is TL. Oh, yeah. Correct.
Đau chị Bảy, nó giấu được quá. Tiếp chôn của anh.
What's the value against T1? Negative 350. Okay, so you get negative 350. So now they want to find. Okay, so they want to find the temperatures at x equals to 0.1. Then temperature 0.1. So negative 350, 0.1, 100. So you get 85.
什么？C 是 constant。来 differentiate 了，不是每次有后面 constant。
So you get 85. Get 85 degrees Celsius for part A. Okay, so if the question asks you on any point, so any point within 0.2, so you can apply this equation. This equation is applicable from 0 until 0.2. Okay, so 0.05, 0.1, 0.15, you can apply these equations. Okay, so remember that when you do the integration, so C is constant, is a mass. Okay, so that one related to the heat transfer to the surrounding and so on. So that's already included in your C1 and C2. Okay, so second part, it asks you on the rate. Okay, so Q dot equals to negative Ka dt over dx. Okay, so your dt over dx is C1. So negative Ka C1 dx dt. So substitute
可以 crop 近一点，like just 它们了。
Okay, so to be secure, so the temperatures, if the question asks you to find the temperatures, you give two answers. Because if not mistaken, my marking scheme all in Kelvin. I cannot remember, but if not mistaken, it's in Kelvin. To be secure, you put two. Okay, I will give the marks here, these questions. Okay, no heat generate. I will give the marks. Okay, one dimension is important. Okay, time is constant, important. Okay, constant K. Okay, so steady state. Another one. 100% conversion is important. So assumptions here you get maximum 3. Okay, so maximum 3. But these questions I will give only 2.
什么取什么多？
上去mark
啊，所以3
The
个，
unit here is
所以我给3个就够了。
W.
可是不能呢，如果我没有给完，我又不能做吧？